coming to you on a Saturday, and I believe Saturday I can actually have that one-on-one talk with you guys instead of, you know, constantly being in the shop and talking about PDR. My weekend videos are going to probably be more of the entrepreneur side. Me, myself, I'm coming up on 10 years, guys, as an entrepreneur. I started this when I was 24 years old. So if you guys can do the math, yeah, I'm not that young. So, but anyway, guys, so always in a state of gaining knowledge, as much knowledge as I possibly can. Did not go to college or any of that stuff, but I do very much think that continued learning is needed when you're an entrepreneur or anything in life. Okay, so I'm going to go over some of the top books that every entrepreneur should read. And it's helped me. I've read probably each of these books twice. So first up is Never Eat Alone. This book is great. I am a person that does not like to introduce myself. I'm kind of more of a guy that sits in the back. So I eat alone a lot. So when I saw this book, the title captured me, and it just talks about why you should never eat alone. Gaining that encouragement to, you know, go and approach people and to, you know, stand your ground and just introduce yourself. And it gives you the reason why you should do this, you know, when you're building your brand or your personal brand. You know, this book is great for any of those types of people who are just, you know, kind of fearful, you know, people that are to themselves. So I always, when I'm sitting down, you know, having a cup of coffee at Starbucks, I always introduce myself to at least one person. So great book, Never Eat Alone. I feel like by far the best book for trying to scale your business is Traction. This book is amazing. Anybody that's trying to scale something that we do, a PDR business or a detail business or any business where the technician has a lot of roles. This book it's almost like a guide for building a business like that. So it talks about the Entrepreneur Operating System, the EOS. Great book for anybody that's trying to scale or build a business that's past about 3 to 4 employees all the way up to like 150 employees. I got this book from a CEO of a company that has 250 employees, and he was walking around the office with this book. So it made me, I basically took a picture and Googled it and read this book. So definitely a great read, guys. So coming back to communication, John Maxwell, this book is called Everyone Communicates, but a Few Connect. And so, you know, when you're going back to the Never Eat Alone, that's more getting to, you know, being comfortable communicating. This is connecting with the person you're communicating with. And you know, this is stuff that I struggle with, and hopefully maybe it helps you guys out. But this book is tremendous, you know, with connecting with people. And it just brings you down to the roots of, you know, why you want to connect with people, the benefits, and just you feel good when you really have that, you know, interaction with people. So great book called John Maxwell. It is Everyone Communicates, a Few Connect. This list will not be the perfect list if it did not include Gary Vee crushing it. So I do recommend his other books because he references it a lot in this book. But this is his most recent published, and I think with social media you want to stay with stuff that's a little more recent. So Gary talks about, this is a great book for online marketing, social media marketing, copywriting, ads, all that stuff. What social platform you should be working on. I mean, this is a great book for any entrepreneur. So, and that's why it's in the list. So Gary Vee, crushing it. Very good book. As always, guys, I am going to leave like a one link that shows you over the 30 books that I've read as an entrepreneur over my 10 years. Probably I've read a little bit more, but I've really started reading books after about 5 years into business because I was kind of at a standstill. So this is what motivated me to push past the 5 years to the 10-year mark and to hire multiple guys to join the team. So if you like what you're watching, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video, guys. Peace.